Hey guys, what's up? I got Patreon here with Pat Reviews, and on today's video, you'll be getting ready with me using brand new items that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale. Alright, Pat on the field, let's get started. Get ready with me edition with all the goodies. The Hello Sunday, the one for your lips SPF 50 clear lip balm, because guys, your lips can also experience sunburn. Feels good on the skin, not too sticky. PHLUR Strawberry Letter. This is the travel size, guys. I prefer to spray the back of my neck. I don't like mixing in with the hair a little bit, so kind of like amplify the smell. Very refreshing, very strawberry. Guys, really like this one here. Up next, gonna be the viral HUDA Beauty Easy Blur Primer. Also bought the foundation. I'm so excited to try out new things. And of course, getting it while on sale, guys. I hate paying full price, that's for sure. Just gonna do a little bit of primer on my T-zone area here. It's a silicone-free smoothing primer. Feels sticky, but it's not as sticky as the Milk Makeup ones. Now it dries down nicely. I'm going to use the Easy Blur Foundation Natural Airbrush. This baby contains 1.5% niacinamide. That's good for brightening. And I'm in the color Toasted Coconut 240N. The Artis Brush is my favorite to apply foundation. I just feel like, it just goes in more smoothly. I have Rouge with Sephora, so I got the 20% off. Did my shopping exactly on November 1st. Did my research, reviews and stuff like that before purchasing it. As you can see, using this type of brush, it just makes it blend nicely. 15% for VIB and then 10% for Insider. I just feel like the benefit back then was just so much nicer. Don't forget the ear. Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake, Easy Bake, Setting Powder. Because I feel like the foundation is like very nice formula, so I don't need to go heavy on the powder. Guys, I just feel like the foundation, the primer, and the setting powder goes hand in hand. And as someone with oily combo skin, I also need to powder my eyelid with setting powder. So even though it's colder, my skin's still gonna be oily. Up next, I bought this 2 eyeliner ones for Pat McGrath. It's like 30 bucks before the discount. I actually went in the store and swatched this one here. And I'm like, oh my god, this is pretty on par with the Pat McGrath one. So let's try both. Alright, guys, now I'll go with the Sephora one. Always open gently. Glides in very smoothly. Just have to clean the other one, but geez. Another thing that I just want to recommend is my 2 favorite mascara. First of all, this is the Lancôme Cell Booster XL. And this is the mascara primer looks like that you use before you use the regular mascara. And then this is the one from KVD. This is their full sleeve. Guys, this beard is so good. Volumizing and also lifting. What I like about it makes my eyelash looks pretty thick. I'll show you the one. And the nice thing about this, guys, is so easy for reapplication because, I don't know, it's just something with the formula. So I'm just going to slightly sculpt my face. This is Makeup by Mario. Soft Sculpt, Bronzing, and Shaping Serum in medium. Guys, everything here except for the mascara are like the first try. So, guys, a little bit goes a long way. My favorite is always the Hula from Benefit. I'm using that baby on and off for years. Got the Niacinamide value set. This is the Forever Flush, 2 full-size blurring balm powder flush and Dancing Queen Spice Latte. And then 2 of the sample size. This in the color Jubilee and Red Velvet. Never tried her stuff before, so let's go with this one. This is the Dancing Queen. Feel like balm to powder formula. So rich. I'm just gonna blend it in with a clean brush. It actually blends in nicely with the Mario one. Going lightly. So I'm just gonna use the rest here. Oh wow, as soon as this like blends out. Very cute. $35, $75 value. Impressive. Finishing off the rest of my face with Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting. Get them while they're on sale. I'm gonna top it off. This is the LAWLESS Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. This is in the color Daisette. You're not going to feel any tingling sensation or any burning. Another product that I got some random stuff. This is the Daily Luna, the Everywhere Spray. Too wide because I travel a lot. So I only need this baby. I need to like freshen up. Oh, these but goodies favorite. This is the Jet Lag Mask from Summer Fridays. I really like traveling with this. Got the travel size because it's just easier to carry and a little goes a long way. Alrighty, guys. Those are my top picks that I picked up during the Sephora sale. But also, there are like some items that I'm definitely going to be returning. First of all, it's going to be the Pat McGrath Permagel Eyeliner in the color Extreme Black. And just use the Sephora collection going forward. Just look at the quality. You cannot even tell the difference. This is the Pat McGrath side. This is the Sephora side. Almost identical for a fraction of the price. This is the Solid Stone Bergamot Hinoki Buddy Care. So it's kind of like a blind buy for me. Definitely not happy about it. So we'll be returning. And last but not least, Touchland hand sanitizer. This is $45. So $9 each. 20% become $36. But guys, you can buy a bottle of any sanitizer for like $1 or $2. I'm really proud of myself that I don't really buy a crazy amount of products. I know I'm buying products that I know I will use and just returning the stuff that I don't need. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Only buy what you need. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.